BlackRock has done it again. This could kick off altcoin season. Today I want to speak to you about HBAR and that they have partnered with BlackRock to tokenize some of them assets. This is absolutely amazing news. In fact, I took this from Twitter here and it says, just in, BlackRock is tokenizing US treasuries on Hedera, which is HBAR. Here's a reminder that 32 of the most prominent organizations in the world unite to build and govern a network. HBAR. Big names, Google, IBM, Boeing, and several other multi-million-dollar corporations. HBAR leads the BlackRock race with a whopping 1,910 transactions, leaving Solana behind at 840. Elite partnerships, scalable tech equals Hedera, the winning formula. Are you ready for the future of HBAR, right? As you can see here, right, HBAR's backing is absolutely ridiculous. The transaction volume is ridiculous. And also we have seen a massive rise in the volume of HBAR. In fact, if we go and have a look at the price action, it's actually ridiculous. Over 100% gain in just one single day. Now, I believe, before we get into the rest of it, that this could kick off the bull market for altcoins. If you're new to this channel, you probably don't even know this, right? We have entered the third stage of the crypto market cycle. We have had two stages. In fact, we're already halfway through this market cycle, which means you don't have much time left. We are entering the final stage, and that stage of the market is what is called altcoin season. And historically, you need just one coin to kick off altcoin season. We've seen that the gaming rally happened last time, and that kicked off the gaming market last cycle. This time, I think it might actually be BlackRock and HBAR. And as you can see here, right, if I kick up the volume over here, you will see that the volume also is absolutely massive. In fact, I think online it said that it was like a 5x in volume. I'm gonna look at, like, when the volume is moving and you see volume increase, volume indicates price, and look at the difference. In fact, this is the highest volume that we have ever seen on Hedera, which means this rally is going to continue. If you think that this rally is just getting started, then you are mistaken, my friend, right? This, for me, is a signal for HBAR to whip up straight back to all-time high. Right, if you're new to this channel, you don't know about edge-to-edge trades, and what you can see is that there is an edge-to-edge trade happening already, right? We're already in the process. We entered the cloud here, we will exit the cloud up here, and you will see this chart is going to look exactly like Solana. It's going to be exactly the same as a Solana US dollar pair, right? Where we've seen the edge-to-edge on the weekly. We've already hit the edge. We came in on the edge right here. We see and we had that Solana rally. We're probably going to retest breakout, right? This is exactly the same thing as you're seeing with HBAR. Now, this means there is one massive opportunity for you, my friend. It means you are not late, you are early, and you can take advantage of this. Here's three things that I'm going to be doing. One, I'll be taking a trade on HBAR. I'm going to wait for the dust to settle. I'll take a long on HBAR, and I will continue to see this rally go. Right, this is just the beginning. People are only just figuring out this thing. Most people don't even know what the fuck HBAR even is. Number two, I'll be positioning myself in altcoins. Later on in this channel, I'm going to be whipping up a new video. It's going to be the top 20 coins that I'll be investing into this cycle for altcoin rally. Narratives like Rune, narratives like Brett, other meme coins on Solana. There's so much gains to be had and life-changing money to be had. And number three will be research and discipline and consistency. Because it's easy to make money in this game, but it's not easy to keep it. It's not easy to find the narratives before they come. And it's even harder to stay disciplined. So, guys, that's it. HBAR and, who would have thought, BlackRock kicking off another bull run, kicking off another altcoins market run, and hopefully you guys are positioning yourself correctly. If you want to learn about crypto, you want to learn the ins and outs, the most detailed things that you need to know, just watch this free course. If you're here or here, it's going to show you everything you need to know. Peace.